There are two speakers in the door. To access both of them, you will need to first remove the door panel. If you need additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. This image shows the two speakers with the door panel removed, red and blue arrows. Starting on the smaller speaker, use a T25 Torx and remove the 3 screws indicated by the red arrows. The wiring connection is behind the speaker. Pull the speaker away from the door carrier. Squeeze in on the small tab, red arrow, on the connector and pull it back out from the speaker, blue arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Moving on to the larger speaker, squeeze in on the electrical connection, red arrow, and pull it out from the speaker. Use a T25 Torx and remove the 5 screws, blue arrows. There is a small amount of adhesive between the speaker and the carrier. You may need to gently pry the speaker away with a trim removal tool. You can now remove the speaker from the door. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.